Deadman key operation. The Deadman key is a safety device that should be used anytime the PrepMaster is operated. To use it, the operator first attaches the lanyard to his or her wrist, then places the key in the switch. Turn the red-yellow switch to on, and press the start key to start machine. To test the Deadman key, simply pull it out while the machine is running, and the machine will stop. To re-engage the switch, simply place the key back in the switch, press the stop key, and then press the start key.